Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. In the wood cutting industry, exotic hardwoods are by far the toughest woods to saw through, causing shortened blade longevity and high blade stress. Sawblade.com has solved this issue with our Q1002 triple chip carbide bandsaw blade. The Q1002 series is commonly used for extreme steel alloy applications, but excels in wood applications with a resilient blade life. This blade is crafted with an aggressive TCG tooth geometry and with a positive hook angle for smooth, fine finish cuts. The Q1002 series is for DIY to professional woodworkers who need an excellent blade with premier cuts and blade longevity in soft, hard, and exotic hardwoods. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.